In this video, I am going to show you how to make one side of shape rounded in Canva. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply open your browser, make sure to go to canva.com. If you're logged in, that's good. If not, go and log in or create an account if you don't have one. Now I'm just going here to create something so we can start making stuff happen. So I'm just going to create here a page, why not? And as you can see, it's an empty page. Of course, for you, it's totally up for you to start with the template or whatever other design you want, maybe a poster, whiteboard, totally up to you. So first, I'm going here to go and add as an example whatever element I want. I'm just going to add an example this rectangular here, and we're going to try, of course, and make their borders rounded. So to do so, I'll have to go to this exact option. So as you can see here, on this font option, you'll find on the left of it corner rounding. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll be able to round the whole corners. But for us, as you can see here, for us, of course, we want to round just one side. We don't want to round everything. So let me just go and get us back to what it was. So to do so, it's actually very easy. It's a trick. It's not like a feature in Canva. So the trick is, first of all, is to copy your shape and paste it 4 times. So now, okay, I copy it 5 times. So now as you can see, we have 4 of our shape or our elements. We can go to the elements first of all and go again to the round corner and round it however we want. Now, what we will need to do is simply go to the other shapes and simply making it or make it small a little bit and start putting it in the other corners that you don't want it to be rounded. So as example, let's say I want to round just the top right. So as you can see, I'm just going to do so and you cannot even notice the difference. You cannot notice that I'm using this trick unless you keep hovering those stuff. So that's about it. And that's how you round just one side of any elements that you want. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to help you out.